Hey guys, welcome to Cloud Moon. Today's topic is why my ACOS is too high and how to optimize and get lower my ACOS. Actually, what is ACOS? Advertising cost of sales. So, advertising cost of sales is spend divided by advertising sales. For example, if you are spending around 1 lakh in advertisement and getting sales of around 4 lakhs, then the ACOS will be spend divided by sales is around 25%. So in this 25% of amount you are spending and you are getting around 4 lakhs sales. So now how do you calculate high ACOS? So if you are spending around 50,000 in advertisement and you are getting sales of around 25,000 in advertisements, so now your ACOS is 200. This is too high. So now you see the live dashboard of high ACOS and low ACOS. You are getting 8% of ACOS and getting sales of 3 lakhs. How to optimize and lower the ACOS? Now here you can go to the targeting options in the campaign and in filter you can choose ACOS is around greater than 40%. You choose target which your targeted is in active, that is enabled. Now select all and bulk option below, adjust bid will be there. So in that you can decrease by percentage bid value or you can decrease by direct bid value and save changes. This will be reduce your ACOS. So now what we can do for low ACOS? Select same and bulk options. In that increase your bid by percentage or some value. Thanks for watching and please continue my channel, though I am planning to put entire tutorial of Amazon advertisements. Thank you.